Well, what I would say, of course, completely understand people's desire to express their views and have that right to protest. But the fact of the matter is we are in a health pandemic across the United Kingdom, and coronavirus is a deadly virus. And of course, I'd say to those that want to protest, please don't. The regulations are very clear, in terms of gatherings and mass gatherings in particular. We must put public health first at this particular time. And also, I'd say to individuals and even some of the organisers across the community, speak to the police, because obviously the police are on the streets today. I've just had the operational briefing here from the Metropolitan Gold Command team, and they want to engage, explain and talk to people so that people, if they do come out, can be kept safe, and importantly we can try and stop the spread of this horrendous virus, particularly in the community at a time when we're certainly not out of the woods yet. Well, I think it's important for everybody, no matter what issue they expressing themselves around when they're coming out on the streets today. Everyone must remember that right now we're trying to protect lives and save lives because of coronavirus. We are in a public health emergency, and what I'd say about our police officers from the teams that I've met this morning, but also the officers that I've been in touch with over the last 10 weeks, they're part of the community. We police by consent. They engage, they encourage, they explain to the public constantly what the rules are around social distancing, and of course they will continue to do that today. That is how we can keep everybody safe. That is how we can encourage people to stay alert, but also stop the spread of the virus and act responsibly. And the police will absolutely do that. They are committed to doing that. Of course, we do not want to see violence. We do not want to see the protests get out of hand. And the police are very conscious of that. They will always do the right thing. As I've said, they will engage, they will encourage. Enforcement is the last resort. But also I would say to the organisers of any events that are taking place across London, but also across the country, because it's not just London, there are many other planned events across the UK, that the organisers speak to the police, engage with officers so that they can help to keep the public safe.